I got a package! Well, not that kind of package, but, well, yeah, that kind of package too. I got a package! Yeah, okay, there we go. So this is from Kara. What's up, Kara? Thank you so much. So I'm not gonna lie, I already opened it because I was way too excited and it was like dark, and anyway, I already opened it. So, I will start. First things first is this here handle. It comes in this nice little gold wrapping. Says support small business. So it's a moon candle. And look, it's got, I'm pretty sure that is quartz, if I'm not mistaken. And this is awesome because I don't know if you're supposed to burn the candle or if it's just to be pretty, but once you are done burning it, because I'm definitely gonna burn it, then I will have all the crystals as well. That'll be awesome. So there's that, and then there's this box here. She came with this box. It says thank you for supporting small business as we know. And then it's got this confetti paper. Hey. And we have some sage with a smudging prayer on it. Very, very cool. We have this love water, how to make love water. This is really cool. It has the instructions and it has everything in there. It's got the quartz, and I'd imagine that's charcoal. And it has how to make it and everything, the instructions. Really freaking awesome. Then this keychain of the chakras, the 7 chakras and the tree of life. Love it. And then this necklace, this crystal necklace. I'm not sure, but if I were to guess, I'd say that that's a red jasper. But I could be wrong. All right. And then this thing right here, which is freaking awesome, and I want to literally walk around with this in my pocket, but I know that's not going to be possible because it's fragile, but it's a crystal with the 7 chakras and the tree of life at the top, and this thing is like gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It's probably going to go on my shrine. I wish I could carry it in my pocket, but not going to happen, or all the little rocks are gonna fall off. Kara, thank you so much. This is so awesome.